I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out.
Hello guys, welcome to another video. So today it's a DIY hair treatment. I want to do a deep conditioning for my daughter's hair. So I'm using aloe vera and black castor oil with banana. I'll use it to deep condition her hair. Aloe vera, they say it's very good for hair growth, for dandruff. Many videos about this, so I want to try it and see. I want to use it on her hair and mine as well to moisturize the hair. They say aloe vera promotes hair moisture, so I'm trying it to see, because now I really want to go more natural, more for organic products than the chemical ones. And what best way to do that than to use fresh products from your store or from your garden. So guys, you can try this and see how it goes. So right now I'm using organic castor oil. I bought it from an organic shop. I'll be using a banana. This is the oil that I reduced here. I'll also be using a hot oil to do a pre-poo before going in to wash the hair. So now I'm turning my aloe vera in here for blending. This is just to add. I would have added avocado. Avocado is a very good fruit for deep conditioning, but I forgot to buy. I saw it, but the avocado here is always somehow, so I hardly can buy that. So I'll add a little bit of oil to keep it moisturized better. Clumps inside. So I want to filter it to make sure that there's nothing inside that will remain on the hair. It's starting. Still nothing. This one is. So now I'm heating the castor oil in a hot water. I'll use it to on the hair as a pre-poo. Hot oil, they said it helps to activate your scalp so that the oil can penetrate into your scalp. So I am going to try that on my hair and Serene's hair as well. So I think I'll just show you when I'm using it on Serene's hair. On my hair, I'm not going to show you guys that. So guys, I'm using hot oil on Serene's hair. Before I wash, I'll shampoo the hair. This is the hot oil, the black castor oil, amala oil, and I think rosemary oil. So I heat it, I put it inside the hot water so to not get cold. I use it to massage her hair. It helps promote hair growth and activate the scalp to allow the oil to penetrate better. I didn't detangle this hair, and it's a big tangle. Give your hair. You see what she does? This is what she does. Always holding her hair and breaking it. Come on, leave your hand here. So guys, now finished washing, shampooing her hair. So don't touch it. So we are now doing the hair mask with aloe vera.
Now let's try one more. Let's see if you recognize this one.
Come on, Sarah. So this is aloe vera gel mixed with banana and oils. I had castor oil,
Now let's give it a try.
amala oil, and rosemary oil in here.
Wow, that was an easy one, but great job doing it. It was so much fun playing with our 3 special toys.
It's okay, that's why I put this thing so that
Don't forget to give the video a
to pour on
thumbs
it
up.
instead of
See you next time,
what
guys.
you are your clothes,
Bye.
okay? So watery.
The tail feathers
Her
are
hair is all
Wednesday's
dry
gift for today.
and it's not long.
Vera
I
moved
will
to a new house. Alright,
shampoo
our
this
plan is
hair.
here. Is
It's
everyone
very
excited to go
dry.
see our new house? What if we don't like it?
Yeah, we haven't seen it yet. Poppy, Blaze, there's nothing
So
to worry
I'm
about.
using this
We'll love
her
the new house.
this her beach
My name is Madden.
Poppy, what's a
a
pilot?
beach water can
Blaze, a pilot is someone who flies
for
an airplane.
easy application. So it will not
Open the cabinet.
make a mess of everywhere.
That was called Go to Sleep. Now let's see if we can play it.
That's probably the first time I'm using treatments on her hair because she hardly sits, so I just use moisturizer and leave-in conditioner. So now we'll just cover it with a shower cap and allow it to sit for a while before we go rinse them out. And that's the conclusion of this video. Thanks for watching, guys. Please don't forget to like, leave a comment in the comment section, and turn on your notification button so that you always be notified whenever I upload a new video. So I'll tell you guys next time how it turns out because it's already late and I think the video might be too long already. So that's it for today. Thank you guys. Have a lovely day. Finally, we have our hair in protective stance. So you should carry it like this for the week. Say hi, Serene.
Hi, Serene.
Hi. Come on, let's go.